In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up copy trading on Exness from strategy selection to investment. First, head over to Exness. Once you're on the platform, navigate to the copy trading section. This is where you'll find a wide range of trading strategies created by experienced traders. Think of this area as a marketplace of ideas where you can choose a strategy that matches your goals and risk tolerance. Spend a moment browsing through the available strategies. You'll notice each one presents key performance results. Go through the strategies that catch your eye and compare their track records. Look at consistency as much as headline returns. A strategy that performs steadily over time can often be more comfortable to follow than one that swings wildly, even if the big numbers look tempting. When you find a strategy you want to explore further, click on it to open its dedicated page. Here, you'll see detailed information, including returns, drawdowns, and trade orders. Returns show how the strategy has performed historically. Drawdown indicates the largest peak to trough decline, which is a helpful snapshot of potential risk and volatility. Trade orders reveal how the strategy typically operates in the market, giving you a sense of frequency, instrument focus, and trade duration. Use these details to make a balanced decision. Remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, so aim to evaluate both growth and risk. Once you feel confident with your choice, look to the right side of the page for the panel labeled Invest. This is your control center for getting started. Choose the amount you want to invest in this strategy. Pick a number that fits your risk appetite and overall plan. Your funds will then mirror the strategy's trades proportionally, so larger allocations will experience larger swings, and smaller allocations will keep things more conservative. After entering your amount, click Invest. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirmations carefully. The platform will guide you through each step, and once you confirm, your copy trading setup will be active. At that point, you've successfully connected your investment to the strategy, and it will automatically follow the trader's moves going forward. From here, you can simply let the system work according to the strategy's decisions while you monitor progress over time. If you ever want to reassess, you can return to the strategy page to review updated performance and maintain a clear view of how your investment is behaving. That's it. You've learned how to browse strategies, evaluate their details, and invest confidently using copy trading on Exness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.